Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Blake, and today we're going to be talking about the Under Armour wireless train headphones. Let's get into it. Alright guys, so like I said, we're talking about the Under Armour wireless sport headphones. This says they're on-ear sport headphones. Obviously you see the box keeps slipping up, so because I've already opened these. So it's not like a first unboxing or anything like that, but I figured I would unbox it, kind of show you guys what it is about. I haven't used them like a couple of times, so I'm gonna be doing like a review on these headphones. I'm gonna be using them while I'm working out and going on runs or whatever, just to test them out. So JBL and Under Armour partnered up on these headphones, and so what it looks like is JBL made the headphones, and then like the ear cushions, the on-ear part, is made by Under Armour. It's like the Under Armour material, so you can actually take the cushions off and wash them and all that good stuff. But before I tell you too much more about them, let's go ahead and open it up. Comes with this pretty nice case and a carabiner clip and all that stuff. It feels pretty nice. It's like vented right here, so if you in like a hard workout or something like that, or you go working out and it rains, you put these in there and they're kind of wet. You can close up your case and it'll still dry out because it's kind of vented. I don't know if you can see that. So this just unzips like this. Got a little pouch up here. It comes with a headphone jack, cable, and here are the headphones. I'll do close-up shots of the headphones and all that stuff. But so yeah, they kind of collapse in. These are on-ear headphones, not over the ear. So depending on what style of headphones you like or you're used to, you may not like these or you may like them. So right away, they feel really nice, and they have the ear cushions feel really kind of squishy, like so like when you put them on, it kind of feels like it'll cancel out a lot of the noise. And I know these headphones have a really cool feature that's like, I don't know what the feature's called, I'll have to look it up, but so when you have the headphones on and you're listening to music and somebody comes up to talk to you, you can just push this Under Armour symbol on the side here, and it'll automatically bring your music volume down, and then it's got a microphone somewhere on the headphones, and then you can hear like ambient noise. So somebody comes up to talk to you, you hit that button, and you can hear what they're saying, you can hear yourself talking, and then after you're done talking, click the button again, your music volumes come back up, and you're good to go on your run or whatever you're doing. So yeah, the case feels pretty nice. It feels like a nice case that'll handle a lot. You can put these in there, throw them in your gym bag or something like that. It's pretty nice. And like I said, the headphones themselves feel really nice. That new headphone smell. Oh man, it smells so good. Let's go ahead and put them on and see what they feel like. Alright, so right away, with no music or anything, I don't think these have a noise cancellation feature on them, but with them being over the ear, they're kind of like it's pretty squishy material. It cancels out a lot of the noise already, so which is really nice. So by the time you actually get your music going, you won't hear a whole lot of the outside stuff. But so far they feel like a solid build. I'll do like an in-depth review on them if that's something that you guys want. Go ahead and comment in the comment box below. This is just like a general unboxing overview, yeah. So if you got any questions, comments, or anything like that, please post them in the comment box below. If you like this video, please like, share, comment, subscribe, whatever you want to do. And I will see you guys in the next video. See ya.